Hello guys, I just show you today this is common issue. If your door handles stuck on the key, you can't remove the key, then I will show you how to fix it. This is easy to fix it, but I'll just show you how to fix it. First you need to remove one screw from here, one screw from there. Then you need to remove one in the middle one. Yeah, I take off the screw, then I can remove the handles. You remove the handles, then you remove the other side handle. Yeah. Then you remove the key. Whole thing on the lock. Remove the whole thing on the lock. Yeah, you remove the whole lock. And I will show you the next step after that. You need to make this lock in the equal, both sides similar. Similar. It's a little bit like they come out, they basically stuck. Your key is stuck in the lock, it's not gonna come out. And you need to do basically this side and this side the same like that. Equal. Then you put it back. Put it back again and put the whole screw back and handle back again to like normal. Yeah, all done. I put all the handles, screw back, and now the door is locked. Key coming out. Yeah, that's very easy and simple thing you can do yourself. You don't need to be worried about it. Thanks for watching.